Hello everyone, good evening and welcome back to MK Tuition Center. To the new members, you're most welcome. So, tonight we're going to focus on construction, but before we go to that topic, I sent a question. I'm pretty sure many of you have answered by now. If not, then this is how it is done. So, we had 0.25 to the power x equals to 32. So, here we have been told to solve for the value of x. Alright, so this question falls under indices. And then we know that we have to try by all means to make this x the subject of the formula. Now, how do we do that? Have a look at this. We have a decimal number here and we have a whole number. So is there a way we can make these two bases the same? Of course. Now, we are going to convert this decimal number into a fraction. So if you have 0.1, to convert 0.1 into a fraction, we know that every number has a 1 down, and then we are going to multiply by the number of decimal places. In this case, we have just 1. Therefore, we are going to multiply by 10 because it has 1 0. So what to do on top, do it down as well. 0.1 times 10, it will be 1 over this will be 10. So 0.1 is the same as 1 over 10. Now let's convert 0.25 into a fraction. Now here we're going to say 0.25, every number has a 1 down, multiplied by the number of decimal places. So here there are 2. So we're going to put 100 like that. Even here, 100. Close. Don't forget the x up there equals to 32. Alright, so now 0.25 times 100, we're going to have 25. So here we have 2 zeros. This decimal number will move 2 steps to the right. So 1, 2, we're going to have 25. Okay. Over 1 times 100, we're going to have 100. The power x equals to 32. Now, this fraction here can be simplified further. So 25 here, it will be 1. 25 here, it will be 4. The power x equals to 32. And we can make this fraction a whole number. I'm pretty sure by now we know how to do this. So this one here can be written as 4 to the power negative 1. I'm sure by now we know how to do this. Don't forget that x up there equals to 32. Now, when you have, let's say you have the base a to the power, if you have 3 here and then you have another power which is 2, you can simply multiply the powers. So here, this is a power, this is a power, just multiply them and then we want to have 4 to the power negative x. Negative 1 times x will give us negative x equals to 32. Now we have whole numbers only as our bases, so it becomes even way more easier. And the question is, can we write 32 in the base of 4? Let's see. 4 to the power 1, it will be 4. 4 to the power 2 will be 16. 4 to the power 3 will be 64. So it has jumped 32. So it means 32 can't be in the base of 4. Let's write a different number. What of 2? 4 can be written in the base of 2. 2 to the power 2 will give us 4. Okay. So can 2 agree this side as well? Let's see. 2 to the power, let me start from 3. 2 to the power 3 will give me 8. 2 to the power 4 will give me 16. 2 to the power 5 will give me 32. So 2 to the power 5 can represent 32. So here we're going to have 2 to the power 2. Don't forget about that power negative x equals to, this will be 2 to the power 5. Alright, so we said that when you have two powers up there, we can just multiply them. So we're going to have 2 to the power, this will be negative 2x. When you say 2 times negative x, you're going to have negative 2x. This side to the power 5. Now we have the bases as the same number, so these can be cancelled out and then we're going to have negative 2x equals to 5. So here we can divide throughout by negative 2, negative 2, this and that will be cancelled. X will be equal to negative 5 over 2. This is the value of x. So each time they say solve, it means you're going to look for the value for any letter that is appearing in that question. So that is how it is done. Stay blessed.